So far, we have discussed the interaction between one charge and another charge. That is, either the force acting on this due to this, or the force acting on this due to this, which was from Coulomb's law, if we had Q1 or Q2. Okay, and the force acting on this by this by this, okay, force acting on this by this, or the force acting on this by this, which was given in this form: F12, force acting on 1 due to 2, and force acting on 2 due to 1. Okay, so far we have done the interaction between only two charges. So in this particular case, which is the case of superposition, here we consider multiple charges. Okay, that is the force acting on one given charge by many charges, which could be, if this is Q1, this is Q2, Q3, Qn, and so on. Qn. The force is going to be applied by Q2 on Q1 as F12, by Q3 to Q1 as F13, by Qn to F1n. So these are the forces that is acting on this one particular charge. Out here, there is one thing that you have to understand, that we are neglecting the interaction between Q3, Qn, Q2, Q3, and so on. The only interaction that is taking place is between Q1, Q2, Q1, Q3, Q1, Qn, and so on. So this is what is known as superposition, where the multiple forces are acting on one single charge. The total force on a given charge is equal to the vector sum of the forces due to the remaining charges on the given charge, which means the total force acting on a given charge is the vector sum of all these forces on this particular charge. This is superposition principle. And out here, F12 is the force on 1 due to 2, F13 is the force on Q1 due to Q3, and F1n is the force on Q1 due to the nth charge. So, putting all this as usual, taking the vector form like we did in the Coulomb's law of vector form, we write all this equation in that particular form, and what we get is this particular equation out here, taking 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught common. Okay, where F1 is the total force on Q1, F12 is the force on Q1 by Q2, F13 is the force on Q1 by Q3. So this is your superposition principle, and also the force on a given charge by multiple charges.